Hey there! If you're ready to bring AI to your iPhone Air, here is how to set up Apple Intelligence with ChatGPT to unlock smart features. To enable that, let's go ahead and open up Settings. From there, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then tap on Turn on Apple Intelligence. Hit the Setup button, press Continue. If prompted, you can choose to summarize your notifications. And also, if you get prioritized notifications prompt, you can choose which alerts to show up as priority notification. Now, some camera control prompts will be on your screen after that. Now, basically, it'll let you know how you can use AI to control camera. Just follow through the prompts. Some Siri prompts will be on your screen after that. You can press continue or you can just set it up later in settings. Now, Apple Intelligence is enabled on your iPhone Air. But if you want, you can add ChatGPT as an extension with Apple AI to have a more advanced experience. Tap on ChatGPT and then just hit the setup button. Press next and just enable ChatGPT so it can work with Apple Intelligence. And then you can just start using it by saying, "Hey Siri," or just press on the power button. So let's say you want to summarize something. Just go ahead, ask, "Hey Siri, summarize this page." As you can see, Apple Intelligence will take a screenshot. You'll get a send button to use ChatGPT, and then you'll have to just tap on send. And then in a moment, whatever you've asked for will be displayed on your screen. Thanks for watching.